Get started using your KitchenAid Spiralizer with peel, core, and slice attachment. Starting with fresh produce, remove stems, then cut the ends squarely, removing any eyes if applicable. Food should be 1.5 to 3 3/4 inches in diameter and less than 5.5 inches in length. Insert the attachment into the hub of your KitchenAid stand mixer, secure, and place the fruit and vegetable skewer onto the mount. Turn it counterclockwise and click into place. Place a bowl or plate under the Spiralizer attachment and secure the food to the fruit and vegetable skewer, pressing firmly into the skewer. Next, if you're using the peeler, be sure to install it onto the attachment first by sliding it into the bottom of the blade carrier until it clicks into place. Insert your desired blade into the holder at the top. Pull the release lever, then push the blade carrier towards the stand mixer and align the blade core with the center of your food. Press the blade core into the fruit or vegetable for added stability, and you're ready. Begin with the stir speed and then move to the desired speed that works with your fruit or vegetable. Speeds 4 and 6 usually work best. Disassembling your KitchenAid Spiralizer with peel, core, and slice attachment. Pull the release lever and push the carrier away from the stand mixer to the end of the rail. Important: remove the blades before removing your food item. To remove remaining food, firmly grip the fruit or vegetable and pull away from the fruit and vegetable skewer. Twist the skewer clockwise to unlock it and remove for cleaning. All accessories are top rack dishwasher safe. Wash the Spiralizer body by hand only with a soft, damp cloth. The Spiralizer with peel, core, and slice attachment. Spinning new creations in your kitchen. From KitchenAid.